What's up, YouTube? Recently, not so recently, but maybe a couple years ago, I found this deal at Foot Locker. It's a pair of Adidas Ultra Boost. I got them for about 105 Canadian dollars, I think. I hope that's what I paid. I can't remember now because it's been so long. This is a Montreal Ultra Boost in a size 13. I'm not the biggest fan of Adidas sneakers, but I know a lot of people love them, a lot of people swear by them. When the Ultra Boost came out, it was super popular with the NMDs. It was one of my first videos, was actually an OG NMD. As you can see, this one says Montreal over here. Yeah, the Boost got super hype, and then honestly, the value of these Boost shoes kind of just fell because they made so many, and I guess the demand didn't keep up. Yeah, there's a lot of specialty Boost shoes, like Pharrell has some, collabs I should say, that are worth money still. But I would say the Boost hype has died down quite a lot since they first came out. Grab the other side. I mean, these are kind of nice. Like, if I was from Montreal, I think this would be pretty cool to rock. Especially with the black Boost at the back, the white Boost in the front. I don't know if you guys remember when the black Boost came out, it was worth so much money. People were going crazy. They were like, oh, this was so hard to make black Boost because the paint had to be very particular, otherwise the Boost wouldn't work properly. There's a lot of marketing stuff that they would tell you. Gold lace tips, metal, not bad. All in all, this is a great shoe, and if you're looking for a pair for yourself, there will be a StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. We're gonna throw these on here in just a second. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. One of the great things about these shoes is they have a heel tab. Makes the shoe much easier to put on and take off, if you ask me. The other great thing about these Ultra Boost is that they're super rounded, which I think that looks nice because you know they're kind of brand new when they're rounded like that. Aesthetically, they're very nice, especially with this pair of Xanarope joggers. If you're looking for a nice pair of jeans or joggers to rock with your sneakers, check out the Amazon affiliate marketing link in the description. I don't know if you noticed, but I got big toes, and these Ultra Boost type Flyknit, I forget what it's called nowadays, Prime Knit maybe? My toes always stick out, so that's why you hardly catch me wearing these Boost sneakers. When I wear Boost sneakers, I gotta pull the soles out for them to fit properly, especially with all my Yeezys. Yeah, this is the Montreal Ultra Boost. All in all, it's a great sneaker. Check out the affiliate link in the description. It's pretty old now, so you might not have that many pairs on the market, but still a good shoe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.